Hi. Now, time and again, it has been proved that Henry Kissinger was correct, at least in one thing, when he said that it's dangerous to be an American enemy, but it's fatal to be an American friend. And recently, Donald Trump, he has appointed an special envoy to pursue the acquisition of Greenland, which is territory under control, a sovereign territory under control of Denmark, a sovereign nation, and a strong US time-tested ally, a NATO ally, a major Western camp ally. So he has appointed the new envoy for the acquisition of Greenland, and usual suspects of European Union like Emmanuel Macron or Ursula von der Leyen, they are doing the activities which they often does. Like Emmanuel Macron, he went to Nuuk and he gave his strong support to the sovereignty and territorial integrity of Denmark and Greenland, and Ursula von der Leyen was talking about the international law and all those things. But these guys have lost their sovereignty of defense, sovereignty of foreign policy, and they are 100% sailing in the ship of United States of America. So they can just preach, they can just talk, but can't do anything. And you see that even a country like Denmark, whose territory and territorial integrity is under question, cannot say, or is not able to dare to say that okay, if you pursue these kind of policies, then we are going to remove your military base from Greenland. They are also not talking in that kind of language which should be spoken by any sovereign country. And if you look at Donald Trump, he has said that he is not pursuing the acquisition of the Greenland for reasons of minerals or oil, because United States has abundant oil and all those things he was talking about. And he was talking about national security. See, if you talk about national security, he may not be wrong, and I am specifically using the word not wrong, and I'm not saying that he's true, because definitely you can say that Greenland is a part of Western Hemisphere, and if you look at the new national security strategy of United States 2025, they have not mentioned anywhere about Greenland or Denmark, but yes, they have spoken in lengths about the, you can say, new Monroe Doctrine and the Western Hemisphere. Someday we will talk in details about what the Western media is not talking about this new strategy and what they are hiding from you. So they are focusing on the Western Hemisphere, and they are talking about national security of United States of America, but what they are not talking is about the new northern sea lanes. See, the ice is melting due to global warming, and maybe in 10, 20 or 15 years you won't need ice cutting ships to go in those waters which are adjoining this area, the Arctic area. And America want to control these new shipping lanes, and they will definitely reduce the time and kilometers of distance between Europe and United States and North America. But Trump is talking about actually breaching the sovereignty of a friendly nation. And there can also be Epstein files, because you look at the timing of the appointment of this new envoy. It's a time when the Epstein files are coming out, and there's a lot of mention about Trump vis-a-vis rape and all those things, though the Department of Justice has said that these things have not been investigated. So join the lines. But yes, the sovereignty and territorial integrity of an ally is under question.